Hello everyone and welcome to my balcony garden. In today's video we're going to look at how to water bulbs planted in pots. I have a whole playlist dedicated to bulbs, growing bulbs, planting bulbs. I'm fascinated by them, their beauty, the scent, botanically speaking how they grow. So if you're interested in that I will link it above. Other than that, let's get started. Let's begin with pots grown outdoors. When we're planting bulbs in autumn, so spring flowering bulbs, water the pot really thoroughly after planting, enough to make sure that the water reaches the bulbs in the soil. Some people even stand the pot in a bowl or saucer of water for about an hour after planting to make sure that the soil soaks up as much water as it can hold. After that, you can kind of just leave the pots to themselves and let the winter weather do its thing. If it doesn't rain, make sure you water the pot about once a week. Don't let the soil dry out, but don't let the soil ever end up waterlogged or soggy because the bulbs could rot. Don't water when the soil is frozen. And then when the bulbs start to emerge and start to flower in spring, water them twice a week. Continue to water the bulbs even after flowering, because what's going to happen is the bulb is going to move into its vegetative growth stage. So the green foliage is going to be photosynthesizing, it's going to be producing food that it can store in the bulb before it goes dormant in summer, and to pack it full with enough energy to start the whole process again in autumn. Now let's look at watering indoor bulbs. Watering indoor bulbs in pots is actually very similar to the pots outside. Make sure that the soil is always moist but never saturated, never sitting in water but never drying out either. To achieve this, in a normal household you'll probably be watering the bulbs twice a week, but of course it depends how warm your house is. I would also recommend putting your pots in a cooler part of your home. Spring flowering bulbs are of course cool season plants, so they prefer cooler temperatures. They're going to flower for longer in a cooler temperature, and you're actually not going to have to water them as much. So it'll just make their care a little bit easier for you. So that was the video, short and sweet, like this hyacinth here. If you enjoyed the video, support the channel by subscribing. I hope you're all staying safe and well. I send you all my good wishes, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.